In my almost 20 years as a student and my 10 years as a professor, I can tell you that one of the biggest roadblocks to people feeling confident in a concept or an idea, especially when it comes to math or formulas or numbers, is notation. So I want to just spend a little bit of time here to clear things up. How do we write these probabilities down? First thing, and we're going to beat this home ad nauseum, I apologize, is that we actually really only take probabilities of events. We tend to write down these events as capital letters, A or B or F or G, etc. And then as things get more complicated, we can increase the complexity of the symbols. How do we write down the probability of some event? There are two major ways. One is just with a capital P and then parentheses, and then whatever the event is that we care about. Let's just call it A. So P parentheses with capital A. Another way that we do it is P lowercase r parentheses, capital A, whatever the event is that we care about. Let's run through a couple examples together. Let event T, capital T, be the treatment is effective. If I wanted to say that there was a 0.72 chance or 72% chance that the treatment was effective, I could write that as capital P parentheses, capital T equals 0.72 or equals 72%. The other thing that I could do is I could have capital P lowercase r, like per parentheses T equals 0.72. Another example is, let's say that there was a 16% chance that school was going to be canceled tomorrow. So canceled will go with capital C. The way we would write that is capital P parentheses capital C equals 0.16. There's another thing that we want to mention here. A lot of times we're interested in the probability that an event does not occur. And the way that we write that is we write the event, say C or T, and then we have an apostrophe afterwards. We tend to not call it apostrophe in mathematics. We call it prime. C prime, C does not occur, or T prime, T does not occur. For instance, if we called event A the event that it is going to rain next week, and we wanted to say that there was a 65% chance that it was not going to rain next week, the way we write that is capital P parentheses A prime equals 0.65. Once again, we could just as easily write capital P lowercase r parentheses A prime equals 0.65.